So today I have this awesome package that was just delivered, and I am gonna open it up. And as you know, Yardie Belly TV is all about promoting and sort of using up and utilizing stuff that we find locally. My mantra is to turn your hands and make fashion, and every now and then we really and truly are happy to try new things. All right, so this new package that I just received is from Crystal Nuts. Yes, Crystal Nuts, and they are a healthy snack company here in South Florida. Look at that, Crystal Nuts, and they offer mixed nuts, different types of nuts with different seasonings and different styles, just to change up your eating habits. So for instance, if you want almonds, you can get caramelized almonds, you can get salted almonds, you can get cinnamon caramelized almonds, chili and lemon almonds, and they have this with peanuts and cashews and mixed nuts and pecans, and it's just an awesome thing. Yes, and they are South Florida grown and South Florida oriented business. So you can follow them also online, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and they are here in South Florida. You can also order from their website. It's www.crystalnut.com, and they will send over their products for you. So they just gave me a nice little sample box to try, and that's exactly what ooh, look at this. Ooh, I want to show you guys this one. This is raw cashew butter. Can you believe that? You know about peanut butter, you might even know about almond butter, but this is raw cashew butter. All right, so that's awesome right there. And here we also have, ooh, we have caramelized mixed nuts. Yes, see there, caramelized mixed nuts. Nice. Awesome. And let me show you what else we have. Where you said that one is yours, see?
That would be for me.
I did hear about caramelized mixed, you jump out, them have the chili lemon mixed nuts. Wow. So Crystal Nuts, thank you guys so much for my little care package. And guys, I do appreciate it if you would support them. As I said, they are local to South Florida. www.crystalnuts.com, and we're gonna try this right now and make you know how it tastes. All right, and all natural ingredients: Himalayan sea salt, lime oil, lime juice, cashew, almond, pistachio. Yeah, see that? So if you want to snack on something healthy, you can give Crystal Nuts a call, or you can visit their website, and you can purchase and they'll ship it to you. Yeah, and if you want your cashew butter, I promise you, never gonna put this on some toast right now and taste it. Cashew butter from Crystal Nuts. Yeah. Let's try this now.
Nice.
It's natural. It's not super sweet.
Tastes freshly made.
As a matter of fact, it don't really have no sugar in it.
It's not processed. It don't have that processed taste.
This is good. And it's very healthy. Very, very healthy. I like it.
I like it a lot.
And guess what? You can add it to smoothies, you know. Like if you're making a protein smoothie, you can add it to it. If you are making anything that you would normally use peanut butter for. Trying to get it to zoom, but it not zoom. Crystal nut raw cashew butter. And this is just cashew. That's it. That's all it is. Cashew. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, we're gonna try the mixed nuts and tell you exactly what's going on. And you can order from crystalnuts.com and they'll ship it anywhere to you. So now we're gonna try the mixed nuts, all right? And the first one I'm taking up is the chili lime or chili lemon.
I grabbed an almond.
I grabbed an almond too. All right, so let's try it. Not overly spicy, nice and limey.
It's a good balance of spice and the limey taste. So I like the contrast.
Try one more.
Let me get my fave. My fave is pistachio.
And the pistachios that they produce, guys, it's in the shell.
So you know you have to lick off the shell, you know?
Awesome, awesome. Cashews. It's a good way to snack. If you're watching TV, especially now that you're in quarantine, watching TV and you don't want to go for potato chips, you can grab a bag of crystal nuts. Prices are very good, competitive.
And this is the caramelized mixed nuts. Yes. Let's see what I grab. And that's the thing about mixed nuts. It's like a surprise every time you dip. And again, almond.
This is pecan.
Oh, I'm glad I didn't get pecan.
Yeah.
I think this is my one.
She's gonna love this one.
Right? That's the thing about this brand. There's something for everyone. So if you're not too much into spicy, then there's always the salty or the sweet.
This is good. This is good. This is addictive. This is addictive. Ooh, almond. Nice and crunchy. It's good. Super duper good. Don't it taste good, right? Guys, my honest opinion. Get some crystal nuts. They have almonds, pistachios, peanuts, cashews, mixed nuts, and they have pecans. And you can get each of these in salted, caramelized, cinnamon caramelized, and chili and lemon. It's worth it. It's worth it to just get a different thing. And as I said, you can order this on crystalnuts.com and they'll ship it to you. Awesome, 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 awesome.
And you can use a code for a 15% discount. You can use the code thank you.
Yeah.
And you'll get a 15% discount
on your order, on your entire purchase. Yeah, Crystal Nuts. Thank you guys for sending over a little care package, a little nicety. Yeah, Yardie Belly TV endorsed this one. Big up on yourself. Remember, tell you. Peace.